Hello friends, welcome to Java Programming by DP Learning. So in our today's lecture, we will learn about Armstrong numbers and then implement the logic to check whether number is an Armstrong number or not. So friends, before proceeding to focus on how to write this program in Java, I would like to explain to you what is an Armstrong number. So Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of cube of its digit. For example, 153 and 370 are Armstrong numbers. Let me explain to you in detail by taking example of a number, say 153. Here 153 comprises of 3 digits that are 1, 5 and 3. If we add cube of all its digit, that is 1 raised to the power 3 plus 5 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 3, it will result in 153. Since this sum 153 is equal to the original number, so 153 here is an Armstrong number. This is depicted in this algorithm picture diagram. Okay, here the sum is equals to the original number, so 153 is an Armstrong number. Alright friends, now here is the let us check the source code. We import two packages which are java.util.scanner. In order to take the input from the user, we are using this scanner class and hence we have imported this java.util.scanner package. Then we have another package called java.math. The name of our class file is public class Armstrong number. Here Armstrong number is the class file name. Then we start the logic by writing public static void main, which is the entry point of the program and accepts an argument of type string. Then I am defining the 4 variables of integer type, which are num, original num, rem and sum. Then these number here we have the another variable with the name original number, in which we will store the value of num. Okay. Then we are taking the input from the user by writing scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in, and also we simply display the message for the user to enter any number using system.out.println enter any number. Okay, now we have stored this number into original num variable. Our main logic now starts here, and then a while loop will be started. This while loop is used to loop through the number until it is equal to or until it is greater than 0. Then what we have done, then on each iteration the last digit of the number is stored in rem, which is a variable to represent remainder. So we have written rem equals to num modulus 10. This will give us the remainder. Then remainder is powered by 3 and added to the sum, that is sum equals to sum plus rem into rem into rem. We can also directly use math.power inbuilt function instead of rem into rem into rem. Then last digit is removed from the number after division by 10, that is num equals to num divided by 10. Finally, after all the iterations, we will compare sum with the original number. If they are equal, then it is an Armstrong number. If they are not equal, then we will print not an Armstrong number. So we are writing the logic as if sum equals to 0 original number, then system.out.println entered number is Armstrong, otherwise entered number is not an Armstrong. Now when we run the program, the output will be, if we enter the number as 153, then it will display us entered number is an Armstrong number, and then other one case will be, if we enter the number as 234, it will give us output as entered number is not an Armstrong number. So here I have shown you taking 2 examples. Okay, now so friends, if you like my video, please press the like icon and subscribe to my channel.